after I started preparing for my 10th boards, I used to sit a lot, like sit and study. That was the only thing that I was doing, especially वो pre-boards or boards के time पर. So I started gaining a lot of weight. 11 I never went to gym, because as a JE aspirant I don't have time for gym. I don't have time for fancy diets. So I didn't do all these. मैं घर पे रहती थी and I used to eat homemade meals. I used to do home. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Shriya and this is my very first YouTube video. In this video, I want to share with you all how I lost 20 kgs being a 12th grader and a JEE aspirant. So, first of all, let me explain why this title, I lost weight as a JEE aspirant. Because I think for me, managing my studies and my weight loss was always a problem. Since childhood, I was not a very super skinny girl. I was always on a little healthier side, but not an overweight category. But after I started preparing for my 10th boards, I used to sit a lot, like sit and study. That was the only thing that I was doing, especially वो pre-boards or boards के time पर. So I started gaining a lot of weight. 11th में जब मैं आई, then I chose PCM, Physics, Chemistry, Math and enrolled myself in an online class for JEE preparation. So after that, 11th being a JEE student is very tough. So that entire year I used to just, my routine was going to school, studying there, sitting and studying. घर पे आना, वापस खाना खाना, then बैठ जाना 4 बजे से क्लास के लिए, and then you are sitting for like 4 to 8, 4 to 9 for class. Then you are eating, बीच में आप you are munching anything, biscuits or everything, junk. And then you are sitting again for doing your homework. आपका स्कूल का भी काम है, you have your homework as well, JEE homework as well, and then you have to sleep, and then you are continuing this cycle again and again and again. So this was my entire routine for 11th, and I started gaining a lot of weight. When I entered 12th, one fine morning, I think it was around May, when I realized, okay, now this is हो चुका, बहुत ज़्यादा हो चुका है. I started realizing that I was very overweight. I started in May and it took me around a year to actually lose around 20 kgs. So today in this video I want to share with you what I did, like what my journey looked like in the entire span of 1 year. Even though 1 year might look a really long time, but yeah, this is what my journey is, and I'll tell you why this long time and everything as we go into the video. Okay, so let me give you the disclaimer. I am not a professional, of course. I am not any dietitian, nutritionist, or anyone who is, like, I am just a normal teenage girl sharing my experiences with you all, how I lost weight, what everything worked for me. And mind you, I never went to gym, because as a JEE aspirant I don't have time for gym. I don't have time for fancy diets. So I didn't do all these. मैं घर पे रहती थी and I used to eat homemade meals. I used to do home workouts, and what I did is what I'm going to share with you. और उससे I have lost a great amount of weight. And so yeah, let's dive into the video. So the very first thing, let's talk about the most important thing, and that is the diet. तो सबसे पहले मैं I want to tell that what my diet used to look like पहले and what the changes I did. So I'm someone who doesn't eat outside a lot. पहले भी when I was overweight, तब भी और अब भी. I'm not in a month, that's fine, but otherwise I'm not eating outside. My major junk food source was biscuit, namkeens, packaged foods, everything that you eat while you are studying, right? So this was my major, the calorie box, like the extra calorie जो मैं खा रही थी. I realized that okay, these are the mistakes that I'm making that is leading to weight gain. So the very first thing that I did in my diet was cutting down all the junk that I had, that I used to take. मतलब सबसे पहले मैंने बिस्किट बंद किए, नमकीन. I also stopped eating breads, like bread में भी because it is मैदा, मैंने bread वगैरह खानी छोड़ दी. एंड बाहर का तो मैं ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं खाती थी, तो एज सच मुझे उतना ज़्यादा कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ रहा था कि बाहर से नहीं खा पा रही हूँ मैं खाना. आई मैं पहले 3 रोटी खाने लगी थी. लाइक पहले आई यूज़ टू ईट 2 रोटीज़, बट जब ये ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस की वजह से, बिकॉज ऑफ एकेडमिक स्ट्रेस, आई स्टार्टेड ईटिंग 3 रोटीज़. सो मैंने वो 3 रोटीज़ कट करके 2 रोटीज़ करी. सो आई मतलब मैंने अपना पोर्शन थोड़ा सा कम किया. And what I did was, I didn't used to drink anything. Like I'm not into drinks that much. Like drinks matlab cold drinks and juices and everything. So मैं ये carbonated drinks मैं ये सब नहीं पीती हूँ. So थोड़ा बहुत if I used to drink tea तो मैंने वो भी बंद कर दी. I didn't drink tea at all. So cutting down all the excess calorie in the form of junk that I used to take was the very first step that I took. Okay, starting में it might feel very very overwhelming, but you have to do it. Like कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ेगा, and it is very tough. So पहली चीज़, I cut down all the junk. Then second thing that I did was cutting down sugar. Completely cut down sugar from anything from my diet. Like I had a huge sweet tooth. Now I can live without sugar for like for months. I actually lived without sugar for a complete whole year. Sugar is like addiction. Like it just does something to your brain. Like it's very scientific. I'm not really going into the details, but it just does something to your brain that you want to eat it more and more and more. Once you start eating sugar, you just become addicted to it. But trust me, guys, when I say this, I stopped eating sugar for like 20 days, 15 days, 20 days, and after that, I didn't crave for it. I just did not feel like eating sugar. My body didn't want sugar, and by sugar I mean processed sugars. You just want, if you want to crave sugar, if you feel like eating meetha, you'll eat fruits, natural sugars, and that's it. Your body will feel so much more healthier once you stop eating sugar. And it's not just about losing weight, you feel very light when you stop eating sugar. And this was the best step that I could take in my entire weight loss journey. So these were the two major changes that I did. I completely junk food banned, and I completely banned the sugar. Like मैंने नहीं खाना, मैंने इन दो चीज़ को खाना बिल्कुल छोड़ दिया. What else I did was, I used to eat चावल every day, rice roti every single day. Like मैंने एक भी दिन rice roti नहीं छोड़ा है, and I'm glad that I didn't, because I love rice. Like rice is my life. I cannot live without it. Okay, now third thing, the most important, and the अब इसे सब कुछ तो हटा दिया, अब कुछ खाना भी तो पड़ेगा. So I added a lots of protein in my diet. In the morning, in breakfast, my mummy used to boil different type के चने, चने, काले चने, white वाले चने, राजमा, different type की दाल, मूंग दाल, वो green वाली, ये तो इनको boil कर देती थी, and then I make a chart out of it, and I used to have one bowl of that. Sometimes sprouts. Sometimes mummy used to make me चीला, different types के चीला, मूंग की दाल का, बेसन का, different type की जो भी दाल होती है उनका, सूजी का चीला. Sometimes mummy used to make me idli and dosa. So I used to eat all these things. So मैंने पराठा वगैरह ये सब भी नहीं. I was like मैं बिना पराठे के, रोटी के सुबह मेरे को भूख लगेगी. But no, when I got a hang of it, like जब मैं खाने लगी उसको, मेरा पेट दो चीले में खाती थी, एकदम फिल हो जाता था. लंच में आई यूज टू हैव दाल चावल, चने चावल, राजमा चावल, ऑल दीज चावल. लाइक लंच और डिनर मेरा बिल्कुल नॉर्मल होता था, जैसे मैं पहले करती थी. वॉट एवरीथिंग दैट आई डिड वॉज कंट्रोलिंग माई पोर्शन. जैसे पहले मान लो फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं पहले इतना खा रही हूँ, तो अब मैंने पहले उसको इतना किया, फिर इतना किया, फिर इतना किया. लाइक एंड आई स्टार्टेड रियलाइजिंग आई डोंट नीड टू ईट दिस मच टू फील फुल. पहले मैं ओवर ईट किया करती थी. सो दैट्स वॉट आई रियलाइज, और ये सब चीज़ मैंने करनी शुरू करी. सो एवरीथिंग समरी ऑफ द डाइट थिंग दैट आई डिड वॉज, मैंने अपना जंक खाना सब बंद कर दिया. एवरीथिंग A to Z सब कुछ जंक खाना बंद कर दिया. मैंने सब चीज़ शुगर खानी बंद कर दी. इवन छोटे से छोटे शुगर भी मैंने नहीं खाई. आई डेंट इवन ईट टॉफ़ीज़, कैंडीज़, एनीथिंग. सो टॉफ़ीज़ कह रही हूँ, शुगर खानी मैंने बंद कर दी। उसके बाद आई एडिड अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोटीन और मैंने पोर्शन कंट्रोल करना किया। I also drank a lot of water. I always keep a water bottle with me. I drink a lot of water, so this really helps as well. This is all about diet. Now let's talk about the exercise and the workouts that I did, like how I did it. So I'm very lazy. I'm a very lazy girl and I don't like working out. So for me, working out was the hardest part, not skipping sugar. So when I first started, I literally started by just doing 15 minutes home workout. You will find millions of home workouts on YouTube. Just search it online and you will find, beginner friendly 15-minute workout. You don't have to start from squats. You don't have to start very heavy cardio by doing jumping jacks. I was not able to do that. If you are able to do this, then I was not able to do that. I just literally started by 15 minutes stretching of my body and 15 minutes just basic home workouts that now I feel are not at all difficult, but at that time those 15 minutes were like ये 15 मिनट कब बीतेंगे. I felt so exhausted. I was sweating all over. It's सिर्फ 15 minutes में and literally you will feel like कि 15 मिनट में तो क्या ही होगा. Literally होता है. मैं पहले कुछ भी नहीं करती थी. Like कुछ ना से अगर आप 15 मिनट भी अपनी बॉडी के लिए दे रहे हो, your body will understand और बॉडी को पता चलेगा that you are actually burning calories. Okay. सो 15 मिनट्स से मैंने बढ़ा के 20 मिनट्स किया, 25 मिनट्स किया, 30 मिनट्स किया. एंड आई गॉट टू नो अबाउट वेट ट्रेनिंग्स एंड स्टफ, सो आई ऑर्डर डम्बल्स. बिल्कुल स्टार्टिंग में बिल्कुल लाइट डम्बल्स एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग विद दोज. वही 20 मिनट्स से स्टार्ट किया. आई मूव ऑन टू 40 मिनट्स देन और थोड़े से हैवी वेट डम्बल्स. तो इट्स लाइक यू हैव टू लिसन टू योर बॉडी. देयर विल बी डेज व्हेन यू वोंट फील लाइक वर्किंग आउट. Just listen to your body and do not work out. I don't think you have to work out all 7 days a week. I work out 4 to 5 days a week because your body needs rest as well. But do not be lazy. It's not an excuse. Sometimes it's not your body, it's your mind who says, oh my god, aaj man nahi kar raha. You have to do it almost every day and make it as interesting as possible. If you like dancing, include dance, Zumba workouts. There's so many options available online. You have to just invest some time, search it up, look up and save everything that you are liking and try everything. So this was everything that I did for workouts and nothing more. Like, yeah. Starting में जब I started this journey, weight loss journey, तो मैं रात में I used to take a walk around in my society, so that walking also helps a lot. So you can walk always. I try to always take a walk after meals. This is something that is very basic, but yeah, these are some of the things that I actually did for workouts. Nothing fancy, no gym, uh, nothing at all. But there are some things that are generally neglected that are very important, but they are not really told as much or are not really, online इतनी आपको मिलेंगी नहीं. First of all, like these are things that I did. The very first day I decided that I will lose weight. The first thing that I had in mind was I have to change my lifestyle and not run into 30-day crash course diets, lose 10 kgs in 10 days. No, I did not want that. I wanted stable weight loss. Even if it's slow, it should be steady. That's why it took me 1 year, because I was not, my weight loss was, I kept it as simple as possible, and I think that's why it took me a long 1 year to actually lose weight. So, first thing first was changing my mindset that I what I'm doing is to be healthy and not to look a certain way. Body can look aesthetic, but it can be unhealthy at the same time. So changing my lifestyle into good habits was something that my main goal was, and not just losing weight. So it was for me changing it into a lifestyle and not a short term plan. It's like a long term plan. For me, it was my main goal. Second thing was I constantly educated myself about weight loss, the science behind weight loss. Every now and then I used to watch scientific videos about, like, podcasts or something like that, about what is the science behind weight loss, how you actually lose weight, how your body works, how your metabolism works. I mean, these are the things that are not really taught us in schools, right? But when you are actually losing weight, you are in this journey of discovering yourself, how your body works. I realized that I have a slow metabolism. That's what I realized. I didn't know it before. I also got to learn about calorie deficit, and that is the main thing about losing weight. I got to learn about cheat meals very late in my weight loss journey. I feel trying to educate and upskill myself in this genre, like in this area. This is one thing that is very important, but very, उस पर ध्यान नहीं दिया जाता. Okay, now the third and the most important thing is you need to have patience, you need to have determination. You space pe I was doing things, I was not going to gym, I literally started 15 minutes workout. मैंने अपनी रोटी 3 रोटी से 2 रोटी करी थी, सिर्फ ज़्यादा ड्रास्टिक चेंजेस मैंने अपने साथ नहीं किए थे. सो फॉर मी लूजिंग वेट इन लाइक 1 महीने में सिर्फ मेरा 1 या 2 किलो वजन कम हो रहा था. दैट्स इट. So that was very slow growth, like very slow progress, not growth, progress. So you have to have patience. Like, patience is was very important. And many times you'll feel like giving up. Oh my god, I cannot do this, I don't want to work out, I want to eat something, I want to eat outside, I want to eat. You will feel like giving up, you'll feel like I'm not losing weight, nothing's going to happen to me. But trust me guys, it can happen. It will happen. It will happen in your journey. You'll feel like crying, you'll feel like, but just do not give up. At that moment when you feel like giving up, just don't give up. Just listen to your brain and not your heart for once, and do not give up, because you will see result. You will see results, definitely. I think that's it for today. I hope I can provide any value to anyone who's watching this video. I tried to keep it as short as possible. I tried to give as much as possible through this video, and it is possible to lose weight even when we are a student. Uh, I scored 97.8% in my class 12th even after losing all this. So yeah, it is possible to manage studies and your health as well. Being happy and being healthy is what matters, I think, the most in the life. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope I can motivate. Even if one of you I get motivated, like, after seeing my video, and I think that would be it. That would be the success of this video. I hope you guys stay happy and healthy, and see you in my next video. You can ask me some questions in the comments if you want to ask, and please like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon in the very next video. So thank you so much, and bye bye. Stay safe, stay healthy.